Once upon a time, there was a lady who set out to buy her husband Murray a birthday gift. He wasn't a golfer, a fisherman, or a book reader, or even a TV watcher. In fact, Murray did little but go to business and pay bills, especially his wife's bills.
I know. Don't get him a pet. He's never had a pet.
So she told the shopkeeper that she wanted to purchase a pet for her husband. Perhaps he would like a dog.
No, he wouldn't like a doggy.
Well, how's about a pussycat?
A pussycat? A pussycat I know he wouldn't like.
Okay, how's about a cute little monkey poo?
Nah. Say, what's that?
Oh, that's a crunch bird, but you wouldn't want him. He's too dangerous to have around. Let me show you. Crunch bird, the chair.
Now that is something different. My Molly will enjoy that. How much is it?
So the lady bought the crunch bird and placed it in her living room. And soon after, Murray came home from business. It had been a bad day. All he had done all day long was pay bills, mainly his wife's shopping bills.
Oh, boy, with a rotten day with the rotten bills, where am I going to get the money, boy? Oh, boy, have I got bills. Hey, what's that? What's that? You've been shopping again? What the hell is that ugly thing?
It's for you, my sweetheart. A pet. It's a crunch bird.
Crunch bird? My ass.